Understanding Debt Burden, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, debt burden. This term is widely used in financial contexts, but it's also important for English language learners to understand. Whether you're interested in finance, economics, or just expanding your English vocabulary, this video will be incredibly helpful. So, let's dive into what debt burden really means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, debt burden, consists of two words, debt and burden. Debt refers to money borrowed by one party from another. Debt is common in our daily lives. It could be a loan from a bank, a credit card balance, or even money borrowed from a friend. Burden, on the other hand, implies a heavy load or something difficult to carry. When these words combine to form debt burden, they describe a situation where the debt is so large that it becomes a heavy load or a significant stress for the borrower. To better understand debt burden, let's look at some examples. 1. Personal finance. John's debt burden increased after he took out a loan for his new car, making it harder for him to save money. 2. Business context. The small company struggled with a high debt burden after borrowing heavily to expand its operations. 3. National economy. The debt burden of some countries increases when they borrow more money than they can repay. These examples show different scenarios where the term can be applied, making it a versatile phrase in financial discussions. Understanding the term debt burden is crucial because it helps in comprehending news and reports about finance and economy. For non-native speakers working in finance, economics, or business, it's a key term in professional vocabulary. It enhances general English proficiency, particularly in understanding complex concepts. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of debt burden for you. Remember, it's a phrase that combines the concept of debt with the heaviness of a burden, used to describe a significant financial stress. Keep practicing your English and expanding your vocabulary, and you'll find understanding such terms becomes easier over time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.